Okay guys, a quick one. And here, I'll detail how to make a folder for your iPhone apps. So, if you want to section your iPhone apps into category, just like you see under utilities, so you want to bring like-minded application or the same application under the same folder, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. So in this case, I'm going to make a folder for all my games. So I have 1, 2, 3 games, and here I'll create a single folder for games 4 so that each time I want to play the game on my iPhone, I'll be able to access it. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go to the app you want to create or make a folder with this. Just drag it and then drag it on top of the other application. You see that? Then you're going to see a folder pop. So this is going to create the folder automatically. Then again, go to where you have another game application or another app you want to move to the same folder. Then drag and place it inside the folder you just created. Then search through the app again. Search for other games or similar application you have that you want to move into a similar folder on your iPhone. Then just drag it directly to the folder and then click outside. Then you're going to see the folder created like this. However, to change the folder name, press and hold it, then click on rename. Then here, you can easily come here, delete whatever you have here, and then give it a new name. So I'm just going to say games. Then click on done. Click outside, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to make a folder for your iPhone apps. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.